Oh yeah, malo pe.
Dale, Jacob. Dale.
Yeah, go Amita. Oh my game, go with the little show. Thank you all for coming back to my channel. It's your girl Ifumola Grace. If you're coming for the first time to my channel, you are welcome in the name of the Lord. And if you're returning, thank you so much for supporting me. A round of applause for you guys. Thank you so much. Today I'll be teaching you guys on how to sew a satin bonnet scarf without using a sewing machine or a tape rule. Sit down and enjoy this video. Oh no! You have not subscribed to my YouTube channel. Are you kidding me? I would like you to click on the subscribe button you are seeing right now. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and then please comment at the comment section below. Thank you. mommy down there. Monkey. Emma wow, ma mo. Emma wa mo. Tibuki. Ebe ko ya jomo ye Ọlọ́run. Baita ke. Te ni bita. Why is he off camera? In camera. Off. Come. Come. See your face. See your face. So I'll be using a shock to line the fabric around. As you can see, I left a little space before drawing my second line. The space should be up to 2.5 centimeters, because that is where I'll be putting my elastic later. So I won't block the hole I opened on the fabric yet, because that is where the elastic will be passing through. That is where the elastic will be passing through. Just finish it. Eba. Akana komadai. Corona. As you can see in this video, I am done sewing the second line. I'm done sewing the second line, and I did not block the hole I created, because that is where the elastic will be passing through. I didn't block the hole I created. That is where the elastic will be passing through. I'll be using a safety pin to secure the elastic so it will be able to pass through the hole properly. So after passing it through the hole, as you can see in this video, I'll be securing it with a needle and thread. I'll be using it to tack it together so it won't go back into the hole. So when I'm done, I'm going to be adjusting the elastic and the fabric.